Hey there guys, welcome back to Cop Talks and the first prize for one of our giveaways. Currently we're at 77 subscribers and one of the videos just hit 1,000 views, and that's just, I never expected that, honestly. That's pretty tight. This is going to be one of the gifts that I'm going to be giving away once we hit the 100 subscriber mark. So remember, comment down below with hashtag giveaway, or tell me you're interested in the giveaway and I'll put your name in the random name generator. And just kind of wanted to show, this is not the finished product, I just kind of wanted to show a little bit of what's going on. So first off, of course, we got a solid little Altoids tin here, and this is not even an Altoids tin, this is like a big brother, and this is a pretty substantial little Altoids tin. This one has a little bit of a dent in it. The one you'll be getting will not have a dent in it. This is just kind of my little one that I've been working on. So anyway, first off the bat, it comes with 3 Ranger bands, so it'll be securely stored. Ranger bands are great. They're natural latex, very durable, resistant to chemicals, UV radiation, things like that. These last a long time. You can also use these as fire starters. They do burn pretty well. And of course, they're rubber bands, so they're just handy to have. So once you got those off, you can now access the internals. So right here we have some match strike. There will be a few things attached to the lid of this as well, compass and things like that. So let's just go ahead and get to the internals here. And I kind of just have this one set up with the way I carry it. We got some peppermint tea because there's some water purification tablets in here. And unless you love the taste of chlorine, I like to usually keep something to cut down on the chlorine flavor. Got some wet fire tinder here. Pretty good stuff. Pretty effective. You got some chewing gum here because when you're hungry, sometimes chewing gum just takes the edge off. We got a small little ferro rod here. This one's been, no, not this one. The other one I tested a lot. This one's actually pretty decent. Anti-diarrheal, basically Imodium. Always handy to have in the field. Trust me on that. We got 3 bouillon cubes. Kind of help, once again, take the chemical flavor out of treated water and also kind of give you something to kind of keep you going there. It's also a good morale boost. In here we got some aluminum foil and 6 completely weatherproof UCO storm matches. I'm not gonna open that because I spent a lot of time rolling that actually. I've got a fantastic little P38 can opener. These are just fun to have. I just like, oop, I like dropping them on the table apparently. And then we got some little band-aids, some small ones just for little boo-boo stuff. We got aqua tabs. We got 5, oh, I'm sorry. There is a total of 10 water purification tablets in there. I used to have one of these from Victorinox, and this is like a knockoff, but this one's really cool because it features actually like kind of like a 4-way little screwdriver there. Yeah, small little magnifying glass, which I haven't tested to see if you could actually start a fire with, but it seems rather small, so that may not be possible. You got a toothpick, for things. You got some little tweezers. Oh my god, I'm just incompetent, I guess. Oh my god, I was trying to put it upside down. Got a pen. On this side, you have a little knife. It's pretty decent, works well enough. Some scissors, these actually work pretty well. And then right here you actually have a little red LED light, so you can be super stealthy. Moving on to the next tool here. Dun, 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 dun. I'm sure everybody's seen one of these by now. It's like a little pocket survival card, but this was actually one of the best quality ones I could find. Like, this saw is actually really sharp, and this cutting edge up here is like, I'm not saying you could shave with it, but damn, out of the box it's actually pretty sharp, and it's thicker than the other ones I found. I had one of these before that I bought as like a test piece, and I could bend it. This thing is like thick with like 3 C's, and then it's got a couple of different tools, and I mean, it's not measure marked here, but these are centimeters, so that's pretty cool. I just thought that was a cool little toy to put in there, and you can use it as a pry bar and stuff. It's just a handy little thing. I just thought it was really cool, so I threw that in there. Then we got, these are trick candles, actually. These are like the reigniting kind, so if you blow them out, they spark back up and come back. So those are actually great. They also produce a fair amount of light, so those are great to have in a variety of situations. If you need to use them as a fire starter or whatever. Then we got a couple of like micro chem sticks, little chem lights. The green is the brightest. There's also what is supposed to be red, but it comes out as like this like glowing purple. And then we have a blue, and the blue is pretty cool. We got a secondary match striker just in case. This will either be wrapped in foil or packed in plastic, so it won't, in case anything gets wet, this will still be functional. Then once again, we got some more band-aids. This is really well packed in here. Sorry guys. Get out. Alright, there we go. Some more little minor first aid supplies. And then there will be a few other things in here. Like I said, it's not a finished product, but this is actually some really thick and probably about 2 square foot, I want to say, of aluminum foil. You can use this to cook food. You can use this as a signaling device. There will be like a small mirror also in here and stuff. But this aluminum foil is just fantastic. And then you have the actual container itself. And like I said, this is kind of set up just for general purpose. If you really want a survival kit, I really recommend building your own, because buying a finished made one doesn't make a whole lot of sense, because not everybody's needs are the same. And you know, you can kind of put in there what you think is a good idea. These are all the things that I think is a good idea to carry. You know, I got something to start a fire. I got some tinder. I got something to take the edge off for hunger. You know, I got some bouillon here to kind of keep me moving. I got some peppermint tea to help take the chemical taste out of the water purification tablets. You know, I got matches for fire. I got light that I can use on a map for navigation, things like that. Just little things to help kind of keep me going. Something if I just had in my pocket, it'd be really handy to have. I set it up for my use. So I highly recommend that you kind of just shop around, see what you do every day and kind of the environment and stuff you're in, and set yours up accordingly. But I'm not going to set yours up for you. So this is the one that I'm giving away. Well, one just like this. And, you know, this is kind of what you're going to get in there. So don't expect me to get it just right for you. Actually, I have one of the little compasses right here. This is actually going to be mounted in here. It's going to be really cool. But, anyway, guys, I thought you'd get a kick out of this, and I just wanted to kind of show you what the prize was going to be and kind of show you a little bit what's in there. Anyway, guys, have a fantastic day. Please like and subscribe if you would. It helps me out a lot. Go ahead and leave a comment down below telling me how much you hate me, that my voice was definitely not meant for radio, and that you know, all cops are bad, stuff like that, and you know, that really warms me up inside. And I guess the only thing I got to say is get some training, know your gear, know your people, and have a fantastic day, and I will catch you in the next one.